I'm gonna show you how to locate the child's lock here on your Toyota Tundra. But the only thing you got to do is go here on your back door. You want to open it up. Once you open it up, look here on the side, right here, and you will see this little lock. Just slide it down. Once you slide it down, your child's lock is turned on. So now you have your child's lock on. It's just located right there. So to take it off, just push it back up. And it's one on either side of your vehicle. So if I put the child's lock on and I close the door, and I'm gonna try to reach in and open the door, it will not open. You have to open it from the outside. So I'm gonna take it back off. All right, if this video helped, subscribe to my channel and visit my website at www.weldingandstuff.net.